While working on a project, any modification made to the project must be checked in to the Zoom repository to save the work. Let us consider an example. Let us say that Sandy, who is working on an individual episode, episode 3 in the Destinations 2021 project, wants to check in the episode she is working on and save her changes to the repository. Let us see how Sandy can do that. Sandy sees that she is on the latest revision of the project. She now wants to make some changes to the project and wants to add an image to this episode. So Sandy browses to the file and image that she wants to use. When she finds the image, she drags it into the sequence in her Premiere Pro project. She then checks the sequence to ensure that the changes look good and saves the project. When Sandy saves the project, she will notice that the status of the project has now changed to modified. This indicates to her that the changes she made are now part of the project and that she needs to save these changes to the Zoom repository so that her team can also see these updates. Before she checks in these changes, she notices that the size of this file is 162 KB. She then clicks the Sync button to send her changes to the Zoom repository. Clicking Sync will open the check-in form. Here Sandy can view the details about her project. She can see that the project has been modified. She can see all the links that are associated with this project, including the new image link that she added to this project. She can also see which links are high-res and which links are direct assets. In the metadata region of the check-in form, Sandy can review all the metadata for the project. She sees that the metadata is already pre-populated from the previous revision of the project. Sandy chooses to leave the metadata as is and checks in the project. When the check-in is complete, Sandy sees that only one file has been checked in to the Zoom repository. Notice how Zoom collects, analyzes, and only syncs the project or links that actually changed. She also observes that the checked-in data is only 106 KB, while the size of the main project was 162 KB. This is because only the changes made to any file are checked in to the repository. This is an example of how Zoom's front-end deduplication feature helps Sandy save upload time and storage every time she works on and saves a version. Sandy then clicks OK and observes that the status region once again shows that she is working with the latest revision. This is because Sandy's project is no longer modified and her changes have been saved to the Zoom repository. Sandy can now browse to the Linked Files tab and see that the new link that she added is also present. This is how Sandy can always work on a project and keep it up to date.